Good morning, boys and girls. The sun is shining bright. It's time to wake up, stretch your arms, and get your smile ready for the day. Grab your colorful toothbrush, pick your favorite toothpaste, and let's brush together. First 5 seconds. Brush, brush, swish, swish, swish. Sparkly smiles are on our wish. Up, down, round and round. Happy brushing all around. 1, 2, 3, say cheese. Let's brush our teeth with ease. Wake up, sleepy, rise and shine. Morning is a happy time. Wash your face and comb your hair. Now it's brushing time with care. Grab your toothbrush, hold it tight. Make your smile shiny bright. Add a little toothpaste too. Now let's see what we can do. Brush your teeth every day. Keep the sugar bugs away. Top and bottom, left and right. Brush them gently, nice and bright. Round and round, nice and slow. Watch those sparkling smiles glow. Healthy teeth are fun to keep. Brush before you go to sleep. Tiny bubbles, fresh and clean. The brightest smile you've